In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can save your Snapchat snaps to your gallery. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take a quick snap. And once you've taken your snap, you want to go ahead and tap on the save button there on the bottom left hand side. And that should save your snap to your camera roll. So if I go to my camera roll, you can see here is the snap right here. Now to make sure it goes to your camera roll, once you hit that save button, you can go back onto Snapchat, and I'll just go out of here. And then you want to tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left. And then you want to tap on the gear icon at the top right. And then you'll be on your settings page, and then you want to go and scroll down until you find the memories section. Tap on memories, and then where it says save destinations, you want to go ahead and tap on save button there and make sure it's either on memories and camera roll or camera roll only. So if you only want to save it to your camera roll, tap on camera roll only, and then every time you hit that save button, it's going to save it in your camera roll or your gallery. So that is how you save your Snapchat snaps to your gallery. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.